The Samsung Jet 75 Complete Cordless Stick Vacuum is equipped for optimal convenience and performance. Use the turbo action brush across multiple surfaces, thanks to the stick vacuum's 200 air watts of intense suction power and 180 degrees swivel flexibility. The 5-layer HEPA filtration system works in tandem with the brush to filter microdust, ensuring a complete clean of your home. The lightweight design pairs well with this intense suction power, making hard-to-reach places all the more easy. Use the cordless vacuum cleaner without interruption, as consistent suction prevents dirt buildup on the filter, and rest easy knowing the filter is dishwasher safe. Additional brush heads and tools round out the Jet 75's arsenal, like the soft brush for hardwood and dial, the mini motorized tool for reducing allergens, and the crevice tool for reaching tight or awkward areas.